Most Minnesota families I talk to think they have enough life insurance. They don't. They're carrying a quarter million, maybe half a million, and thinking that covers it. Then I run the numbers and they realize they're short by another $500,000 to $800,000. That's the gap between your family keeping the house and having to sell it. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how much term life insurance you actually need and why buying it now costs you almost nothing compared to waiting even 5 years. Here's how I think about it. Start with your gross income. Most planners say you need 10 to 12 years worth of coverage. If you make 80,000 a year, that's 800 to 960,000 right there. Then add your mortgage balance. Your family shouldn't have to sell the house. Add childcare replacement costs if both of you work. Add your debt. Then subtract what you've actually got in savings for a typical dual income Minnesota family pulling in 150 combined with kids under 10 and a mortgage around 320. You're looking at roughly 800 to 900,000 per person. Most people in that exact situation are carrying 250 to 500 and calling it done. It's not. A healthy 33-year-old non-smoker in Minnesota can get $1 million in 20-year term for about $42 a month. That's just over $1 a day to replace your income if you die. At 43, that same coverage is almost double. Every year you wait doesn't just cost you a higher rate. No, it costs you during the entire time you're covered. A 33-year-old locking in a 30-year term is covered until 63 at that 33-year-old price. Wait until 40, and you're now locked at a 40-year-old price for the next 30 years. Here's the part everyone misses. Your group insurance through work is 1 to 2 times salary. That's helpful, but it's not portable when you leave the job and the rate isn't locked. When I see people rely only on their employer coverage, they're betting they never change jobs and never develop any health issues. That's a bad bet. The biggest mistake isn't buying too little, it's waiting until something changes, a new diagnosis, a new medication, you gain some weight, whatever, and then finding out the rates are way higher or the coverage is declined altogether. Life insurance is health underwriting. What qualifies you at 34 might not qualify you at 39. I see this all the time. The best time to buy is when you don't feel like you urgently need it. That's right now. Call us right now at 76373374775. We're licensed in Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota, South Dakota, Iowa, Illinois, and several other states. We can get you a quote in about 3 minutes. No pressure.